Manufacturing, as we know it today, really started with the Industrial Revolution around 200 years ago. It created a whole new way of life, really innovative. New things were possible. New products could be produced on a different scale, and access to new markets became a transformative event. Now, a new revolution is happening right now, and that's the factory of the future. Smarter technology is allowing us to do things which only a few years ago would have been really seen as science fiction. And we think there's a great opportunity for people to harness that and do some really wonderful things. So what is happening? What do we really mean by factory of the future? Well, that innovation, the technology, those things that were really confined to a lab only a few years ago, they're now really becoming mainstream and available to SMEs and upwards. They're no longer the preserve of IBM and the like. What the reality will be is different for different people. For some manufacturers, this is going to be a transformative change that is really colossal and really like a big bang, moving from existing factories to brand new facilities, sweeping away decades of manufacturing process and replacing them with new technologies, additive manufacturing, 3D printing, harnessing automation in a way that has been a pipe dream, but is now a possibility. For others, it will be more gradual. There'll be more sort of evolution rather than revolution. There'll be use of technologies like big data, AI, Internet of Things. These will really transform the way that humans interact with the manufacturing process rather than changing the manufacturing process itself necessarily. But for all of us, it will certainly be cleaner, it'll be greener, it'll be more energy efficient, and there'll be a greater emphasis on things like lifelong learning. As the pace of technological change picks up over time, we're all going to be doing more to keep up with that pace and make sure that we're harnessing those opportunities that are out there. And what does that mean for your legal advisors? What have we got to do with it? Well, it's often said that one of the things that underpinned the Industrial Revolution and why it happened in the UK when it did, one of those pillars supporting that process was the stable and predictable legal system. And we think the same is true now. In times of great change, having the contractual and legal framework to support you and give you certainty allows people to innovate, and it allows businesses to experiment and know that they have got the sound underpinning of a predictable legal framework. So we're really excited about what the Factory of the Future means for you. We're really excited to come on that journey and help you explore the Factory of the Future.